Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35. This Crafter comes in a long wheelbase with a 2-litre TDI engine pushing out to 140 PS. It comes in a beautiful candy white colour in a solid paint. Starting with the front exterior features, this Crafter comes with a high roof in the exact same body colour, front fog lights with cornering function, front parking sensors for extra safety when parking, as well as electric heated exterior mirrors. Moving around to the back, the rear exterior features include rear wing doors which open to 270 degrees with hinges, as well as rear parking sensors, as well as a rear view camera. This just adds an extra bit of safety when you're manoeuvring the vehicle. This Crafter sits on 16-inch steel wheels with a full steel spare wheel. Opening up the loading doors, you can see that you have a very spacious loading area. The loading area has the same colour scheme as the body colour outside. You also have a wood flooring with a fabric lining just to add that extra bit of style, as well as making sure that it is durable. As mentioned before, the loading doors can be opened 270 degrees. You also have a magnet on the side and rear of the doors. This can just be connected and make it easier when you're loading without the doors swinging open. You will find twin sliding doors on either side of the vehicle. This just allows you extra access to the loading area. It gives you an alternative way of putting your belongings and getting them from the vehicle as well, making it much more convenient. Moving into the front of the Crafter, you will find 3 passenger seats covered in Austin cloth upholstery in titanium black. The driver's seat also comes with an additional armrest on either side for extra comfortability, and you also have an 8-inch fully touchscreen infotainment system. As mentioned, this infotainment system is fully touchscreen and allows you to listen to your favourite radio stations, as well as connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and use the inbuilt navigation system to help you on your journeys ahead. Focusing on what is in front of the driver, there is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel that allows the driver to skip their favourite songs, control the volume, answer calls, and use the inbuilt cruise control. That is it for this 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35. Thank you for watching and goodbye.